ഹലോ ഓൾ, എല്ലാവർക്കും മൈക്രോബയോട്ടിപ്സിൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് സാനിറ്ററി കെമിസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ദ എമിഷൻ ഓഫ് ആൻ ആൽഫ പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ ആൻഡ് 2 ബീറ്റ പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ ഇൻ സക്സഷൻ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസസ് ആൻഡ് ഡാഷ് ഓഫ് ദ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് ആറ്റം. ദ റൈറ്റ് ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഐസോടോപ്പ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ്, ഐസോടോപ്പ് ആണ് ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. ദ ഓർഡർ ഓഫ് ദ C2V പോയിന്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഈസ്. ദ ഓർഡർ ഓഫ് ദ C2V പോയിന്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഈസ് ഓർഡർ നമ്പർ 4. Among carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide, that which not yield a microwave spectrum. That which will not yield a microwave spectrum. Option D ആണ് right answer, carbon dioxide. The number of normal modes of vibrations of C6H6 molecule is. The number of normal modes of vibrations of C6H6 molecule is 30. The pi donor ligand in Z's salt is. The right answer is option A, chlorine. The number of signals exhibited by the protons of TMS in its NMR spectrum is. Option B is the right answer, 1. The hybridization of nitrogen atom in NH3. The hybridization of nitrogen atom in NH3 is sp3 hybridization. Radioactive disintegration follows dash order kinetics. Radioactive disintegration follows dash order kinetics. First order kinetics. The emission of radiant energy after a time lag after its absorption by a substance is called. Option A, fluorescence. Option B, phosphorescence. Option C, vibrational relaxation. Option D, intersystem crossing. The right answer is option B, phosphorescence. 30th question. The ionic character of lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride as follows. The right answer is option B, lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride. Lowest ionic charge ലിഥിയം ക്ലോറൈഡിനാണ്, ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സീഷ്യം ക്ലോറൈഡിനാണ്. Which among the following is the optical property of colloid? Which among the following is the optical property of colloid? Option A, Brownian movement. Option B, electrophoresis. Option C, Tyndall effect. Option D, electroosmosis. Optical property of colloids ആണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. The right answer is option C, Tyndall effect. How many isoprene units are present in a monoterpenoise? How many isoprene units are present in a monoterpenoise? The right answer is option C ആണ്, 2. 2 isoprene units ആണ് മോണോടെർപ്പിനോയിസിലുള്ളത്. The oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2-. The oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2-. The right answer is option B, +6. The reagent used in benzoin condensation. The reagent used in benzoin condensation. Cn-. Which indicator is used in iodometric titration? Which indicator is used in iodometric titration? The right answer is option B, starch solution. The ligand in density of EDTA. The ligand density of EDTA. 6. Option A, 6. The number of particles per unit cell of BCC is. The number of particles per unit cell of BCC is. Option B ആണ് right answer 2. The principle of liquid gas chromatography is. The principle of liquid gas chromatography is. Option C, partition chromatography. Which metal ion is present in vitamin B12? Which metal ion is present in vitamin B12? Option A, cobalt. How many oxygen molecules are carried by a single hemoglobin molecule? How many oxygen molecules are carried by a single hemoglobin molecule? The right answer is 4. 4 oxygen molecules are carried by a single hemoglobin molecule. How many significant figures are there in the quantity 0.0063 gram? 2 significant figures. 63. 2 significant figures. How many peaks are observed in the IR spectrum of carbon dioxide molecules? The right answer is option C, 2. Asbestos is an example of dash silicate. Chain silicate. Asbestos is an example of chain silicate. Rutile is an ore of titanium. Option A, titanium. The highest oxidation state shown by the transition element is. The highest oxidation state shown by the transition element is 8. The intense violet color of KMNO4 is due to dash transition. Option A, charge transfer transition. What is the CFSE for an octahedral high spin D4 system? -6 dq. Which one of the following metal carbonyl does not obey the EAN rule? Which one of the following metal carbonyl does not obey the EAN rule? The right answer is option D. The coordination number of iron in hemoglobin. The coordination number of iron in hemoglobin is 5. What designation is given to a sublevel having n equal to 4, L equal to 1? What designation is given to a sublevel having n equals 4, L equals 1? 4p. B shows a diagonal relationship with BE. Beryllium shows a diagonal relationship with option A aluminium, option B magnesium, option C silicon, option D sodium. The right answer is option A aluminium. The state of hybridization of Be, beryllium, in BeF2. The state of hybridization of beryllium in BeF2. sp hybridization. But1ene can be converted to butane by reaction with palladium and hydrogen. Palladium and hydrogen. Option A ആണ് right answer. Which of the following compound shows geometrical isomerism? Which of the following compound shows geometrical isomerism? The right answer is option C 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. Which of the following compound is aromatic? Option A cyclobutadiene, option B cyclooctatetraene, option C cyclopropene, option D cyclopentadienyl anion. So the right answer is cyclopentadienyl anion ആണ് aromatic compound. The monomer of natural rubber is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene is the right answer. Which alkaloid is present in hemlock seed? Which alkaloid is present in hemlock seed? Cannane, quinine, piperine, morphine. The right answer is quinine. Sea water will boil at a temperature. Option A higher than pure water. Option B lower than pure water. Option C same as that of pure water. Option D cannot be predicted. The right answer is option A higher than pure water. Sea water will boil at a temperature higher than pure water. Producer gas is a mixture of option A carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, option B carbon monoxide plus water, option C carbon monoxide plus nitrogen, option D carbon monoxide plus oxygen. The right answer is option C carbon monoxide plus nitrogen. For a spontaneous process, the free energy change should be. For a spontaneous process, free energy change should be. Option A positive, option B negative, option C either positive or negative, option D 0. The right answer is option C either positive or negative. Option B negative. The right answer is option B negative. A system which can't exchange neither energy nor matter without surrounding is. A system which can change neither energy nor matter without surrounding is known as isolated system. The right answer is option C isolated system. Vibrational spectra will be obtained by the absorption of option A microwave radiation, option B IR radiation, option C UV radiation, option D visible radiation. The right answer is option B IR radiation, infrared radiation. Which point group does carbon dioxide molecule belongs to? Which point group does carbon dioxide molecule belongs to? Option A. Which one of the following is a zinc containing enzyme? Which one of the following is a zinc containing enzyme? Option A, cytochrome P450. Option B, tyrosinase. Option C, alcohol dehydrogenase. Option D, cytochrome oxidase. The right answer is option C, alcohol dehydrogenase containing zinc. So question number 66. The alkaloid used as an anti-malarial drug. The alkaloid used as an anti-malarial drug. The right answer is quinine. Quinine is used as an anti-malarial drug. The heat of neutralization when a strong acid is neutralized by a strong base. The right answer is option A, minus 57 kilojoule per mole. Which defect causes a decrease in density? Which defect causes a decrease in density? Option A, short K. Option B, Frenkel. Option C, metal excess. Option D, F-centered. Decrease in density. So the right answer is option A, short K effect. The radius ratio of octahedral void is. The radius ratio of octahedral void is 0.41. 0.414 is the right answer. The pH of a 0.001 molar HCl solution is. The pH of a 0.001 molar HCl solution is pH 3. How many signals would be expected in the NMR spectrum of CS3 thrice CCl? One signal. The monomer of orlone. The monomer of orlone. Option A, formaldehyde and phenol. Option B, ethylene glycol. Option C, vinyl cyanide. Option D, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Option C is the right answer. Which of the following is a nitro dye? Marcius yellow is a nitro dye. Very important. Marcius yellow is a nitro dye. Which one is the strongest base among the following? Which one is the strongest among the following? CS3NS2, CS3 twice NS2, NS3, CS3 thrice NH2. CS3 twice NH2 is the strongest among the following. Aspirin is a acetyl salicylic acid. Yes, aspirin is a acetyl salicylic acid. Which acid is used for cleaning glasswares in the laboratory? Which acid is used for cleaning glasswares in the laboratory? Option A, sulfuric acid. Option B, hydrochloric acid. Option C, nitric acid. Option D, chromic acid. Obviously, chromic acid is the right answer. Cellulose is a linear polymer of. Cellulose is a linear polymer of beta-D glucose. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B, option C, vitamin D, option D, vitamin K. The right answer is option C, vitamin D. The COH functional group is carboxylic acid can be replaced by H atom by. Soda lime. The right answer is soda lime. The COH group in carboxylic acid can be replaced by hydrogen atom by soda lime. Barbituric acid and its derivatives are also known as triangulizers. Barbituric acid and its derivatives are also known as triangulizers. The isomers that are interconverted through rotation around a signal bond are called. The isomers that are interconverted through rotation around a signal bond are called conformers. Conformers is the right answer. Malic acid, fumaric acid. Malic acid and fumaric acid are the forms of. Malic acid and fumaric acid are the forms of geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomers. Malic acid and fumaric acids are the forms of geometrical isomers. In contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid, the catalyst is. In contact process of the manufacture of sulfuric acid, the catalyst is contact process catalyst vanadium pentoxide ആണ്. So the right answer is option D, vanadium pentoxide, V2O5. BF3 is an acid according to. BF3 is an acid according to. Option A, Arrhenius concept. Option B, Bronsted-Lowry concept. Option C, Oswald. Option D, Lewis concept. The right answer is option D, Lewis concept. According to Lewis concept, BF3 is an acid. How many coulombs of electricity are required to produce 20 gram of calcium from molten calcium chloride? The right answer is option B, 96500 coulomb. The cell constant of a cell is equal to. The cell constant of a cell is equal to. ഇതൊരു ഡൗട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിരുന്നു. The reduction potential of two half cells is Mg2 plus bar Mg and Cu2 plus bar Cu are minus 2.37 volt and 0.34 volt respectively. The cell potential, സെല്ലിൻ്റെ പൊട്ടൻഷ്യലാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. റിഡക്ഷൻ പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So the right answer is 2.71 volt. 2.71 volt. At equilibrium state, option A, delta G is positive. Option B, delta H is negative. Option C, delta G is 0. Option D, delta H is positive. At equilibrium temperature, delta G is 0. Delta G is 0. The heat absorbed by the system at constant pressure is. The heat absorbed by the system at constant pressure is delta H, change in ഹീറ്റ് ആണ്. How many unpaired electrons are present in Cu plus ions? Copper ions. How many unpaired electrons are present in copper ions? 0 unpaired electrons. According to Hund's rule, the number of unpaired electrons in nitrogen atom will be. According to Hund's rule, the number of unpaired electrons in nitrogen atom will be 3. Which type of isomerism is shown by CONS3 5NO2 Ca? Which type of isomerism is shown by this compound? The isomerism is linkage isomerism. Actually, this is a coordination compound. Which one is a homopolymer? Which one is a homopolymer? PVC അല്ല, നൈലോൺ അല്ല, നൈലോൺ 66 അല്ല, ടെറൽ. സോ ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഇല്ല, ഇതിനകത്ത് ഹോമോപോളിമേഴ്സ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടില്ല. സോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. 3 letters A, B, C can be arranged in dash number of ways. 3 letters A, B, C can be arranged in 6 number of ways. The internuclear distance remains constant during electronic excitation. The internuclear distance remains constant during electronic excitation. This assumption is Frank-Condon. The right answer is option D, Frank-Condon. A bond stretching frequency around 1700 per centimeter is due to. The bond stretching frequency around 1700 per centimeter is due to. Option C, C double bond O. Which of the following is an oxochrome? Which of the following is an oxochrome? NH2 is an oxochrome. For phenol water system, the critical solution temperature is, for phenol water system, the critical solution temperature is 68.1 degrees Celsius. Alpha helical structure refers to the dash structure of protein. Alpha helical structure refers to the dash structure of protein. Option A primary, option B secondary, option C tertiary, option D quaternary. The right answer is option B, secondary. The right answer is option B, secondary. Bhopal tragedy is due to. Bhopal tragedy is due to. Option A ethyl isocyanate, option B phenyl isocyanate, option C propyl isocyanate, option D methyl isocyanate. The right answer is option D, methyl isocyanate. ഓക്കെ, ഇത്രയൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു ഇതിനു മുമ്പ് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ നടന്ന സാനിറ്ററി കെമിസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ്. ഇതിൽ മൈക്രോബയോളജി ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. പക്ഷേ നമ്മളുടെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ്, മൈക്രോബയോളജിസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ ഒത്തിരി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള, മൈക്രോബയോളജി ഏരിയയിൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിനു മുമ്പ് നടന്ന സാനിറ്ററി കെമിസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ എക്സാമിൽ സിലബസിൽ മൈക്രോബയോളജി ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു. ഇത്തവണയാണ് മൈക്രോബയോളജി ആഡായി വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് മൈക്രോബയോളജിസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് ഞാനിവിടെ പിൻ ചെയ്തേക്കാം, ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിലും കൊടുത്തേക്കാം. അതിൽ കൂടെ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മൈക്രോബയോളജിയുടെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ഡിസ്കഷനും കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ.